What's up,
What's
YouTube?
up, YouTube? What's up? It's your boy here, Official. You already know it.
He getting it down. We getting the YouTube introduction down, man. We about to hit to the gun range.
Oh, I didn't even say it right. Hold up. What's up, YouTube?
Yeah, what's up, YouTube? You gotta drag that too.
YouTube. Like that.
Yep, YouTube.
Okay, yeah.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. It's your boy Steph Weezy Live, and it's Uncle Official.
The Official.
Yeah.
Holla at your boy. What's up, YouTube?
Yep, they got it. We about to go and let them gun sounds off, man. We about to go to the gun range.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Just got them L's. Tell them about your accomplishment.
Hey, now, see, it took me a little time to get them.
Yep.
Not because I didn't pursue it. I mean, that exactly what it was, because I didn't pursue it because I didn't want them.
Got you.
I wanted to ease up because I knew if I got one, I'm going to get that yapper. I'm going to get that yapper. What is it, P15? I'm seeing you from the block.
He been listening to
I'm seeing you
NBA
from the block. You already know.
He been listening to NBA Youngboy a lot.
I ain't been listening to nobody. I've been listening to myself. And I said to myself, Self,
yep.
Are you going to get that yapper?
Yep. And then you going to get that yapper.
First I'm gonna go to the gun range because I'm used to shooting out in the farms and stuff like this, shooting animals, fake animals.
Yep.
And targets and stuff like that.
Yep.
It's like in my own zone. You know what I'm saying? Like war. You know what I mean?
War.
Yeah. Yeah.
What
is it good for?
Absolutely
nothing.
Yeah.
Okay.
We about to go. Oh yeah, let me go. My bad. You better let me go, Buster.
You know what I'm saying? So, that's what I'm used to. Now this is like, you almost do this easy,
Yeah, we gonna let it go.
I need something moving, man. Because that's what's gonna happen. I need something moving and I gotta, keep my accuracy.
Yep. Right on. Okay.
Go
over there.
Pull over there.
Okay. Man, get up. Me get.
You
doing a lot of traffic.
Hey, you a little bit too hard with that whistle, buddy.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Whistle all hard, man. Yeah, you move that way. You move this way.
You know what I'm saying? He only got a whistle.
You give a guard. You give a guard a whistle, boy. It ain't
and he think he the referee. He think he the referee of the streets.
The streets. Yep. Called a tech on me.
Come on, man.
Yeah, but we about to go to this gun range. We about to let it fly.
And let them on.
We gonna show y'all what it is, man.
I don't know what I'm gonna shoot. What you thinking about shooting?
Man, the littlest thing they got in there.
Little? Why little?
Man, because it's just a quick.
Oh, you talking about little? Oh, you talking? Oh, okay. Well, you can get that 380. That 380.
The pocket joint.
Little. Yeah.
Well, we just gonna see, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all gonna see what I'm about to blast off in this sucker.
Man, hope they got a P53. I just gotta make sure.
We here. We pulled up to the blicky shop.
Yeah, we here.
Is you ready to let off the blickies?
I'm ready to do something. I hope they have that thing in there for me.
Man, I'm trying to let off that A Kizzy.
You know what I mean?
That A Kizzy.
I might go shoot the BB guns and stuff. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Give them to my little, my grandbabies.
You said give them to the grand ones?
Yeah, my grandbabies.
Here we are. We in here.
I need the biggest thing you got in here.
Yep, I'm gonna let off the Ruger. All right, let's go downstairs.
See,
I see you here looking at the little ones.
No, I can't have that. I asked my man, did he, what big thing he had. I was going to just shoot this, like one of these, because, my wrist. You know what I'm saying? I need something that's going to give me that jerk I need. You know what I mean?
Right.
Make me feel like I hold something. You feel it? Right. You got that 50 cal?
Right there.
Okay. See. I think we in the wrong place. No offense. I think we in the wrong place, bro. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna try this place. Because your brother, I always try to help the brothers. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm gonna get something in here. Yeah, you ain't got that P15, do you?
What? He gonna shoot the littlest joint.
Nope.
Yeah, we about to get it in, man. We picking out our guns. We gotta watch this. We gotta watch what not to do, what to do. And after we figure that out, man, we about to go let them off. I'm about to go let off the 4.5. Man, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let off the 4.5.
4.5?
I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go.
You ain't got that 50 cal, so I guess that's the next thing. Right?
That's the big joint? That's that boom! Yeah.
See, that's what I need to be doing right here.
With that?
Yeah, I got that.
Call of Duty?
Yeah, that's what I got set up at the thing. We used to use it for paintball, but we set it up for real life stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
We gotta get ready for war, man.
Yeah, I'm game ready. That's what we get.
They coming over here. I mean, it ain't my spot, but it's my spot.
We about to go in there. Let's pick our joints and deal. We're gonna see what happens.
both need eyes and ears?
Yep.
Yes, please. You got some,
Why you grabbing two? All we need is one.
Need
Cause
two?
That's your battle. That's my battleship.
oh,
You know
it's
what I'm
like
saying?
that?
Yeah.
Okay.
We going on the same one.
It's gonna be a lot.
Let's go. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Think smarter. You gotta think, man.
Okay, so,
I'm about to smoke Unc, man. He ain't ready.
And then what do you, how many boxes of ammo you think?
you got some binoculars?
Binoculars?
Yeah.
It's not that he trying to
How
get
far-
too deep into it.
What's I'm saying is, how far is the range, man? Because I'm used to shooting cannons, man. You got me shooting
We'll
them
just take
BB
two
guns,
boxes.
Man. I told you I'd
We'll take 2 boxes
Yeah,
to start it off. We can always come back and get more if we need to, right?
Yep.
2 boxes will do us good.
Okay.
Them the headphones.
Yeah, these is headphones? Yeah. Y'all got some earplugs? Just give me the regular earplugs, man. You know they use at the warehouse, man. I don't need these things, man. Y'all ain't shooting nothing but...
busy, huh? You ready to get busy? Let me show you how to. Let me show you how to set this thing up. Hold that real quick for me one time.
You don't even know what you're doing here. You really
Show
don't know
you.
what you're doing. So let me show you this. At least it'll give you a little advantage. Maybe might make me work harder.
You want to do it straight up and down?
That way?
Hold this real
Side to side?
Hold this.
Side to side?
You ain't supposed to put it like that.
Come on, man.
You want to do it? You want to do it side to side?
I'm just saying, what side is yours and what side is yours? Because up and down, well, I mean, you know what I'm saying?
All right.
That's a better advantage. I mean, I'm trying to help you out.
No, it's just gonna be a little sideways when we shooting. You know, we want to shoot straight up.
You want to shoot it straight up.
Now you see how it's like a little flimsy?
No, okay.
It might
Yeah,
like
you
once
do
it go
that
back
way.
there.
We can do it that. It don't matter because I'm going to still shoot it. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to still hit. It makes you feel better.
There we go.
Okay. Okay, so I'm the top, you the bottom.
How far you want to go back?
All the way back
You
to
tryna
fucking
go deep?
I mean, come on. You can see that.
I know
I
that.
can go and dot and hit that, man. Come on
How
now.
far you want to go back? Right there?
I mean, can you go further? Or you
Right
can't
there.
shoot.
I'm gonna go right there.
Okay,
I
right to
don't
the
think
palm.
I ain't gonna lie. I don't think you can.
I can hit that?
I don't know.
Okay,
man.
but
Let's
you
load
got
it
the
up.
top or the bottom?
Let's load it. It don't matter. What you want? You tell me.
I'll go to the
He
top.
ain't ready.
I'll go to the top.
Go to the top. All right.
Yeah, I'll take the top. You got the bottom?
I'm gonna go to the bottom.
I need to go to the top. I'm used to hitting headshots.
Go to the top.
You feel what I'm saying? I'm used to hitting.
Dang, I don't. Did you give us the right
You don't know how to
joints?
put them in there?
No, I don't know how to put them in. Did you give us the right?
I thought you knew what you was doing.
I don't. Did
Yeah.
you give us the? I told you.
No.
You gave us the wrong bullets.
Who gave us?
The wrong
Yeah.
bullets.
We just.
Yeah, let's go back out there. I might be stupid, but I ain't no fool. I know how. Nah, that's backwards.
no.
Nah, they
Ain't
supposed to
no
go like
damn
that.
fool.
Ain't no 4-5 bullets.
Huh?
Them ain't 4-5 bullets. Shit, let's go back and get them. Yeah, we got the wrong bullets. I'm tripping. I know I ain't. In a minute. I ain't let the bleed. Set this. It's a little bit bigger.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, they missed them ones.
Yeah. Hollow joints. Hey, the bad tuck up. Here, give me.
Okay.
They make it seem so much easier on the movies when they load them up. They pull the clips out of anywhere. They be having like 39,000 bullets. All right. Load it up. Load it up. You ready? Y'all start it off?
Yeah. Does it
Huh?
zoom in?
Nah, I don't zoom in.
Okay.
You just gonna have to see it.
All right. So you on the bottom?
I'm on the bottom.
Yup. How many shots you get?
Wait. I'm on the bottom. You on the top.
Right. How many shots you get?
It's probably like 11 in there.
So you shooting on the top?
Huh?
So you shooting the ones that are on the top or the bottom?
I'm gonna shoot the ones on the top. That's yours.
That's me.
Is the
Okay.
camera on me? You can see me?
Yeah.
So I'm about to. You on the top. I'm on the bottom. All right. I'm about to get you. You ready?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You know what I did there is I tried rapid firing like I did Saturday. Bottom line is I thought about what I did out Saturday. I thought, okay,
This one's.
Oh,
I'm stuck in there.
so what stuck?
You see it?
Yeah. Hey.
Excuse me, sir. I don't mean to bother you, but you look like a professional.
You working?
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, so we jammed up. I was wondering if you could help us at all.
okay, can I see it?
Yeah.
Just lay it down.
Lay it down. See, that's the professional.
Well, the first thing you want to do if you get a jam is it this button to release?
Okay.
Is that the right one?
Yep. That's to eject the
Oh.
I think you push it in.
Push it down.
Yep.
think so.
Push it down.
And then pull it out.
Yep.
Shit. Yeah. All right, let's see something once here. Oh, you got this on one side. I'm used to doing this left-handed. All right. Now let's. Okay,
There
thank
it goes.
God.
Oh yeah, we took it out. That should be better.
Yep. See what I did is I put it on the safety catch.
Yep.
Then it released. Otherwise, you had pressure on it. That's why it wouldn't come out.
Safety on there, didn't release it. Okay.
Okay, now
Learning.
I'm going to try and get rid of this one in
Yep.
case it's a funky one.
Got you.
Shit. Okay, this one on mine it would have come out.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
It just stayed in there. You probably just gotta hold it back, and
So what I think you should do
that's a funky one.
is, all right, wait a minute, it went all the way forward. I'm going to try it one more. Hey, there we
it
go.
goes. This is the janky one.
Something to keep in mind. Now, like you get a. Model.
Yeah.
Yours is what brand is it?
Man, I'm shell shocked.
Hey, me too.
I'm shell shocked.
Okay, let's see what I got.
No.
Nothing. I got
Oh,
something.
you got 1, 2.
2. Does that count though, or are we doing straight orange?
Well, I would say straight
Dang, I'm
orange. You only
terrible
got
shot.
one.
I
You
got
only
1,
got one.
2,
You only
3,
got one.
4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 2.
The other thing,
I only got 9 shots off.
what I would do, you've been shooting, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
From time to time, try it one-handed.
One-handed?
Why? Because if the shit hits the fan,
Yeah.
let's say you wake up out of a sound sleep and you see some dude crawling through your window.
Yeah.
You have time to get both hands on
Yeah.
it. So,
I'm used to shooting like that. I'm used to shooting 2 at a time. Coming behind my, under the pillow with 2 like this on them. You know what I mean? I don't play around with it.
He
You know what
talking
I mean?
about on 007.
You gotta be, man. You can't.
like I told John,
Yeah.
I says, try it with your,
Left hand too?
see, I'm left-handed.
Oh,
yeah.
you never. See, I need a left-handed gun.
So he-
I need a left-handed gun too, man, because I need both of them. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get a one with to shoot with my
You
foot.
got the right idea.
With my feet and all that. But we work eyes coordination. I want to be real quick. With the draw on them. You know what I'm saying? Cause that's what I need. The quickness.
You gotta practice in different scenarios.
Yeah.
You never know.
Yeah, we gotta practice. See, this is where it's at. This is
What's
why we
your name?
practice.
Rodney? Stefan. Nice to meet you.
I'm Joseph.
Joseph,
Joseph, the gunman.
good luck. Have fun.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My man.
Yeah.
Gave us some tips, man. That's what I'm talking about. He
Well,
gave
you
some
know.
good tips on how to let that thing ride. You loading them up. I only got 9 shots, so you get 9 shots. I'm jammed up on
I
me.
get 9. What you mean? I get more than 9.
50 cent. Come on now, you know. My thing jammed up on you, boy. You good? You got it?
Yes. That should be enough, but I can fit more in there.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
You ready?
Yeah. You ready?
You see what I did.
See where we at? In the middle?
I'm at the bottom. You gotta sink my ships at the bottom.
The bottom, right.
Yeah, at the bottom.
Right.
Don't be scared. Let it ride.
Here. Come on with it.
I see you smoke.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean?
Let's see what you did. If it's in the
Orange.
if you sunk it, yeah.
Orange. Orange.
Just 2. I think it's 2 to 2. It's 2 to 2. It's 2 to 2. Hit the oranges. It's going down. It's 2 to 2.
2 to 2.
I'm about to get him, dog. Don't even worry.
So
though.
I hit the 2 really good. Look at mine, flush. He least
So you saying that-
limping.
you saying that
the
really don't
sink
count?
gonna ship, but see, and look at this one. They least gonna sink because there's holes in them.
Hey, we
but
repping,
yours,
so I say
that
it's
ain't
white.
even scaving the orange, man. They still can get away. I think they should still get away, man.
I don't know. That's a big
I don't
leak.
know. This one's a good flush one. But,
I think that's a good leak. You know what I mean? That's how I get down, but you got, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I got him.
Let's keep it on. Let's go round 2. Round 2.
Round 2.
Round 2 on them. Round 2.
Round 2.
Round 2. Let's get this.
It's 2 to 2.
Yep. It's all good. I ain't too confident about that round.
You didn't feel? What I mean?
I ain't too confident about that round.
Let's see.
Oh,
And he's right.
something told me not to go so damn fast. You got saved by the bell.
I bet you. I bet you.
y'all. We done lost the paper, so we gotta start over. So I gotta whoop them all over for y'all. Y'all gotta see this again. My bad, y'all.
Don't cap. He didn't whoop nobody.
We gonna set it off. We gonna do it again.
Nobody. The game ain't over. He done dropped the thing because he can't shoot the metal. He trying to tear it off. He trying to tear the people's stuff up, man. I told you don't be tearing these people's stuff
We'll
up.
see what it is, man. This is round.
Come on, man.
This
You
is
can't
another
give
round.
me
We
nothing,
really got minimum bullets. I like that. That was a good idea. I like how you did that.
Yeah, we should have did that.
You know what we can do? Let's finish our rounds. We gonna finish all our rounds and then pull it up.
Huh?
We gonna finish it. Come on. You at the bottom. I'm at the top.
Huh?
You gotta sink my bottom ships on that line. I'm at the top. Let's do it. You know how it is. Don't be scared now. There you go. It's nice though, but it ain't it. Damn. You good?
Huh?
You lost one? It's in there. That's on you. That's a rookie mistake.
Oh, come on, man. Ain't no rookies here.
10, 10, 10. I wish I could focus.
This guy.
It's on me. It's on me. My turn.
Oh, you.
Yeah. Let's get it.
You ready?
You ready?
All right.
Round one again. Let's get it.
That's my shit's on the bottom.
You ain't hit nothing.
I wasn't too confident in that round.
No, I don't think you did.
I think I hit a couple now.
Yeah.
I hit a couple. Don't get it twisted.
Them is the ones I hit.
Nah, I hit a couple. We gonna see.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Round two up. Round two is up.
What's up?
Missed a couple shots.
Hold up.
Round two, I missed a
Okay.
couple.
Come on. All right, that was
It's
only one
going.
shot.
I missed a couple. It's round two.
All right, round two. Let's get it.
Boy, you shaking like booty meat.
I gotta be
Let it
steady,
off.
man. All that drink caffeine, man. Right? That's why. That's how you cheated, man. You know I couldn't drink no caffeine.
Man, it's called the setup. It's called strategy. Man, my thing ain't focusing.
One hand, aim and fire.
I would just shoot it one hand and it's going. You see that?
Damn, you didn't put the clip in there, did you? You a Wookie. You a Wookie. Alright, I don't think you read that class manual. That's why you gotta read the class manual before you get in here and start popping off them heats.
Look at that. You see that?
Oh my goodness. You dropped the joint. Dog. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God! Hold
Is
up.
it? Grab it on the ground? Yes, sir.
So you put them on there?
Yeah, it's 10 shots. You should 3 sets of
10 shots. You know how we do.
let it You gotta let him go quick.
Okay.
You gotta let him go quick. I gotta get this done with. Oh, I ain't hit a damn thing.
Let me see.
Didn't hit it. I might as well just start aiming anywhere. I might do better. How does a bullet not go that accurate? Do you gotta really be like super sturdy?
6, 7.
I don't know. I wouldn't know popper.
You must have grew up.
This the last
You must have grew up.
round 3. Let's get it.
See, I grew up.
Right. This is the last of the last round showdown. This is where it all goes. I gotta sink. This is it.
That might have
Let's
did
see
it.
who won.
Oh, wait. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh! It looks like the winner's weave. Yep. 3, 4, 5. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn.
You count the white lines too, like
And
you
the
did
winner's
last time?
weaves.
That was a nice shot right up at the
I'm the
top.
champion. All right, it's a wrap, man.
Glasses was dusty. Man. They was
glasses-
really dusty.
the
I didn't even
glasses-
have my prescriptions. But it was.
It was a good run, man. Me and
It was a
Unc
good
did it,
man,
man.
you know.
Peace, you two. We on
Give
to
me
another
something
one.
to shoot for.
Yes, sir.